Are we heading into a future where your job might be done better by a machine? Sounds like sci-fi, but it's already happening. From cashiers to customer support, factory workers to financial analysts, AI isn't just coming, it's here. In fact, by 2025, automation and artificial intelligence have already replaced thousands of traditional roles. But before we panic, let's ask the real question: is this a threat or an opportunity? AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't need breaks, and it can process massive amounts of data in seconds. Businesses are turning to AI to reduce costs, boost efficiency, and scale fast. That's why we're seeing chatbots take over support, AI writers replacing copywriters, and robots building cars faster than ever before. But here's the twist: while AI takes jobs, it also creates them. Entire new careers are emerging: AI trainers, prompt engineers, data ethicists, and AI content creators. The key difference? These new jobs require creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability, things AI still struggles with. So, what can you do? Instead of resisting the wave, ride it. Learn how to use AI tools to enhance your skill set. If you're a writer, collaborate with AI to write faster. If you're a designer, use AI to generate visuals in minutes. If you're in business, use AI to automate tasks that drain your time. The future isn't about man versus machine, it's about man with machine. This change might feel scary, but it's also exciting. It means you have the power to choose, adapt, evolve, and lead, or be replaced. So, are you ready to upgrade your skills and think like the future? Because in the world of AI, those who learn fastest win. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the future of AI and how to stay ahead in a world run by algorithms.